All right, I have some problems here, folks. I need your help. You all are great teams, champion teams. I've been offered the head coach position in Mumbai. Mumbai Cricket is in the doldrums at the moment. Should I take it? And should I take it as the salary they're offering? Because I asked for at least 25 crore Indian rupees and they've said no, they'll pay 24. So just guys think about that for a second and we'll talk offline about it. But now, let's get on with our show. Hello and welcome to Colours Cricket Quiz 2021 presented by Nutridor Abivia in association with Max. My name is Cyrus Max Brocha and here today we have the Champions Edition, the blast from the past. These are the very best of the best. I kid you not. These are so great, we bowed to them when they entered. We all showed respect, which we've not shown before, but we should in future. All right, let's meet them. There's red, there's yellow, there's green, as everybody knows. Let's start with red in their new avatar. Tell us who you are, Red.
Yeah, my colleague, she is a teacher, a blogger, and a writer. Her name is Veena Mukesh, Mrs. Veena Mukesh.
All right, okay, it's almost like an interrogation. Fair enough. Then, from your side, Veena Mukesh.
He's Mohammad Altamash, and by profession he's an engineer, and by passion he's a cricketer.
Let's go to yellow, Team Yellow, another champion team.
Hi, introducing my very dear friend Alifia Kisat. During our friendship, she's always been the stable one, but today she'll be opening the innings and give us that rollicking start, just like the pocket dynamo that we all love and adore.
Pocket dynamo, interesting term, yes. And he is?
This right here is Mr. Agile. Oh, I'm sorry, that's what he's known as on the cricket field. But today he's Mr. Arjun Manohar, a very good friend of mine and a cricket enthusiast. And today we're team
Blaze Group.
Yeah, I just want to tell you that I'm very close to Shashank Manohar and I hope you're not related to him, whatever happens.
I am not.
You're not? No. Would have sounded much better if you said you were. I've never met him in my life, I'm just kidding. All right. And if you're watching Mr. Manohar, no disrespect, but choose me next time you're president of the ICC. All right, Team Green.
Hi, meet Preeti, my wife, who is also the captain cool of our life. We began our solid unbeaten partnership about 15 years ago under her able leadership.
Wow, excellent. He's given all the pressure to you. Please take over.
Hi, this is my all-rounder husband Vivek. He is a corporate professional but a very enthusiastic cricket fan. And together we call ourselves Green Giants.
The dynamics of relationships and the love for cricket. That's what the show is all about. So let's go straight into our first part. As you all know, it's called Googly. Okay. Part 1 of Googly is called Stargazing. I hope you guys remember this from before. Stargazing, very simple. You get 45 seconds. One team member comes here and looks at the background there and identifies who is being shown. And you can try and hint and sort of, without taking the name, try and present who that person is. And the other team member has to guess it. That's all there is. Okay? Very simple. I'll just go into the other parts which are important. There's a limit of 5 players per team that you'll see. For every correct answer, the team gets 10 points per answer. If the player gives the clues by taking the name, it'll be minus 10 straight away. Alright? If you can somehow guess all the 5 players within 30 seconds, very rare, never happened or probably once happened, there'll be an added bonus of 30 points. Alright, that's it. Let's begin the guessing game. Who's up first from Team Red? Who's batting? Who's bowling? Okay, Veena is batting. Okay, 2, 1, 45 seconds. Name the names without the names.
What do you, in Hindi, it's vanish.
Hindi
You disappear in Hindi.
Gayab.
No.
Gayab.
Nobody's named Gayab who plays cricket. Huh?
Gumnam.
Okay, go to the next one. Go to the next one.
Next one.
Time is going.
There's a planet.
Mars.
Yes.
Marsh. Malcolm Marsh. Marsh.
No, he's gone. Okay, go to the next one.
Um,
Come on, Veena, this is easy.
when we close the door, what do we do?
Lock key.
Yeah.
Key. What is full name you're saying? Key.
Yeah.
Time up,
Sorry,
time up.
sorry.
You actually said the first name. Okay, that was Lockie Ferguson.
Lockie Ferguson.
Yeah, I think Lachlan is the correct name,
Lockie,
but
yes,
Lockie was good enough. Well done.
Sorry.
Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's take a look. 45 seconds. Off you go.
Okay, he's an Indian player. The first one is, okay, Shastri. But what's his first name?
Ravi.
Yeah, so
Ravi Ashwin.
No.
Ravi Chandran.
No, it's a bigger name. The first name is a bigger name. It's Okay, Dhoni. What's his first name?
Mahi.
No, the full name.
Mahendra Singh
Yeah,
Dhoni.
join his last name with the Shastri name that I told
Okay,
you.
they have
Ravi Singh.
No. Okay, next. Sorry.
next. Come on.
Okay, okay, what is, if you get 5 children together, what is it called?
Oh, nice
Okay,
thinking. Nice thinking.
Okay, the second one, okay, no. Okay, sorry, skip.
Skip. Go to the third one. Yeah.
Okay, The Rock, what's his first name?
Dwayne.
Yeah.
Dwayne Bravo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Time
next.
up on the board. Super. I thought the clues were really good. Sorry, Mr. Manori, you didn't pick it up, but they were very good clues.
Slightly dumb.
And you named every Ravi in India except the Ravi she wanted you to name. 3, 2, 1, and off we go. 45 seconds. Don't waste time if they don't get it. Keep
Okay,
going.
he stepped down as the captain of KKR. He plays for India, wicketkeeper
Dinesh
batsman.
Karthik.
Correct.
Superb. Next. Come on, guys.
Something similar to Pinch.
Aaron Finch.
Fantastic. Keep going. Third. Ask for the next.
Okay, England fast bowler. He has a birthmark. He's not playing in the current Test match.
Pass. Next.
Next. Come on. Okay, go for the next.
Okay, next one.
Next.
Okay, small, short Indian player whose name means Earth.
Prithvi Shaw.
Very good. Want to go back? There you go.
Go back to the other one.
The other one that she missed.
Okay, he is an English fast bowler, plays for the England team. He's not playing in today's Test match. He has a birthmark. He's a fast bowler. He plays for Rajasthan Royals.
Jofra Archer.
Oh, time was up, unfortunately.
Okay.
But you've got 3, I think. You get 30 points. 3 are good. Fourth one was, just 1 second out of the. You just had to name the fast bowlers in the squad that are touring England. I mean, how long would that have taken? All right. So let's quickly look at the scores. So far, red yet to get off the mark. Not too good, but lots to play for. Yellow had their moments, but it's only 10. And green, you're in charge at the moment with 30. So 0, 10, 30. Sounds like a new Hollywood film with Brad Pitt. But for now, it's time for us to go into the second part of Googly, which is called Stargazing, the difficult version. Here, we take 2 faces and merge them. Okay? Generally, one face is more dominant. But remember, there's a clue coming your way which will allow you to understand what the pairing is. There's a connect between the two. That clue will help you. Now, if you get it without the clue, you're going to get 50 points. This is a new thing we've come up with. 50 points straight off if you can just look at the face and say both the people. If you take the clue and then get it, you get 30 points. Are we ready?
Yes.
We need a couple to come up. You know the situation, look at it. You got 30 seconds so you can think. If you can score without the hint, great. If you can't, with the hint, that's also good.
Okay.
So red, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
One is
Both the names. The clue is their teams keep faith in them and the rest they say is history.
Adam Gilchrist.
And his partner, connected partner. Their teams keep faith in them and the rest they say is history. Keep faith in them. Time up. Oh, yellow has pressed it. Yellow.
It's Adam Gilchrist.
Yellow, come back to your positions, please. Yellow.
Is it Adam Gilchrist and Matthew Hayden?
Incorrect. MS Dhoni and Adam Gilchrist. I know it's a bit tough, but look at the right here.
Okay,
That was a, yeah. Team Yellow, bad news. You get -10 for wrong answer the second half. All right, red goes back. Yellow. Okay, on the count of 3, let's take a look. The morphed image of 2. There you go. There are lots of hints in the picture.
I know one. It's VVS
Okay,
Lakshman and
Yeah.
I would like the clue actually.
Class, grace, wristy elegance. Wristy elegance. Wristy elegance.
It's VVS Lakshman and Muhammad Azharuddin.
Yes, my mate! Well done, mate. Bowling shine. Bowling. Superb. And there you know, these are champions. They were able to get it. It's damn tough to get. If you look at that picture, not that easy. I think Azhar is more dominant there. The collar up is the one big hint. All right, well done, guys. And you get a total of 30 points. In 3, 2, 1, green. Yeah, yellow, if you can create space, sorry. Off you go, green.
Virendra Sehwag, Chris Gayle.
Give me 5 minutes to recover. I'm having a faint here. My heart is racing. This has never happened before. 50 points, ladies and gentlemen. 50 points. This is going to be one hell of an episode. Yellow's come to the party. Green, I think, is still on top. Red will score. Red will score because these guys have great potential. But for now, we have to go into a Nutridor Abivia tea break. And when we come back, we'll check out the scores and go on to the second segment. But well played so far. Welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2021, presented by Nutridor Abivia in association with Max. And we've got a killer battle here. This is the best of the best. Champions from the past, blast from the past, and we enter power play. Okay, power play. The rules are very simple, but first let's see the scores. Team Red is 0, Team Yellow is 30, Team Green is 80. All right, so that's 0, 30, 80. Are we ready? In power play, we've got a segment called the balancing act. Remember, this is the sporty part where you actually play. It's very simple. You have to come here. One partner has to hold the bat, all right, in balancing act. The other has to balance those cans, as many as they can in 60 seconds on that bat, and they mustn't fall. Okay, you get a bonus point of 30 if you can hold 20 or more. If you hit the 20 mark, you get a bonus point of 30. All right, net practice is over. Time for the test match. Let's call in Red. Red team, please come forward. 3, 2, 1. Off you go. 60 seconds, as many as you can. Do not drop. I will not advise whether it's better to take one at a time or two at a time. That's not my business. Having practiced this for 2 hours last night, I should not be telling you.
Wait.
But this is not bad.
Yeah.
Lots of seconds left. Lots of seconds left. Maybe you don't need to rush.
1.
Yeah. Okay, so far we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
One more.
10 and about how many seconds left? Let's check with the clock.
That's it.
So almost 30 seconds.
Don't keep.
Okay. You choose to stop?
Don't keep.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You don't want to try more? 20 is not that far away.
Keep one.
1 at a time. 13. 10 seconds. 10. Come on, less than 10.
Keep one.
Keep 1. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. 60 seconds. Just hang in there. Let me count properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we've got a total of 15. All right, well done. At the count of 3, 2, 1, yellow. Let's see. Alifia is going for the 1 at a time method. Veena had gone for the 2 at a time method. Remember, it's 60 seconds. We will give them time cues from time to time. We've gone to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we're going for the double decker, 7, 8. This is a slower process, but maybe the slow and steady thing may win the race. We are not sure yet. 12 at the moment.
Yeah.
And we are on 13. We're on 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All right. 15 ho gaya, and I think 16. 16. They've hit the 20. They've hit the bonus. As long as you don't drop it, as long as you do not drop it, you will hit the 20.
Yeah,
Okay.
10 seconds left. If you want to take your time.
20.
And you
stop?
can do it for the last 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it just for a second. 2, 4, 3, 8, 11, 14, 7, 20. It is 20. 20. 1, 2, 3. Off you go. 60 seconds to go. They're going for the single method, copying Alifia. Veena had gone for the double method. I am not saying one is better than the other, but keep in mind that the 60 seconds is a long way off, and as you get closer, it's perhaps better to go slower. Maybe not.
Slow.
And the husband who first said that the captain is the wife is now instructing the wife, so captaincy has switched. Or obviously there's some hypocrisy which we don't know about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 नीचे. Economy class में 7 है, business class में 3 ही है. 30 seconds up, guys. You'll get to 14, I suppose, very quickly. Then decide whether you want to go for 20. I mean, you might as well. 15 seconds to go. You're on 14. Quick. You may have to go a little faster if you want to reach 20. Yeah. 16. Okay. 10. Oh. Okay. 1. And stop. Time up. Which is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oops. We have a tie. we have a tie. A tie without a bush shirt and without a belt. Just a tie. It's unbelievable. We were not prepared for a tie. And now I need 5 seconds to figure out what to do because these rules are getting very dangerous for everybody. Okay, we've decided in just a matter of a few seconds, our entire team has come together and come with this fantastic idea never seen before, but explored in all forms of cricket, which is like a tiebreaker. Team yellow goes first. It's 10 seconds, new rules. 10 seconds, jitna bhi kar sakta hai, kar lo. Okay, 2, 1, go. 10 seconds. Okay. And the time is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 in 10. 10 in 10. 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds to go. 4, 8. 5 seconds to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. And a superb sense of technique. Reached 12 and decided to waste the 3 seconds so he doesn't drop it. Great thinking. Well done. Team green, you win. Team yellow, well played. Really well played. Maybe there was an advantage of batting second. I can't say. This is a new game. We need perspective, just like vaccine. We can only tell you about it years later. So right now, it looks like batting second seems to be the smart thing to do. Time for the scores, and what scores we have. Red is not dead, but it's on 0. But can still be a hero. I want to do some poetry as well. Yellow has gone to 60. You got 30 in this game, so you got to 60. Very tight finish. Sorry about that. Green, you got 130 points now. You're leading. You're 130. So it's 0 for red, 60 for yellow, 130 for green. But we have the final round coming after this break, and that's going to maybe separate the 3 teams once again, and we may have another winner. Let's see what happens. But first, it's time for our chai break. Nutridor Abevia tea break, or I like to call it 2 seconds of chai. And then we'll come back and play the game till the end. Welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2021, presented by Nutridor Abevia in association with Max. And now it's time for the final over. The final over is a buzzer round. Very simple. There'll be 10 questions. The team that hits the buzzer first gets to answer. If the buzzer is hit while the question is being read out, the question won't be read out further. The teams must answer within 10 seconds of hitting the buzzer. 10 points for every correct answer, -5 for the wrong answer. The other teams can hit the buzzer if an incorrect answer is given, but the same rules apply. So it carries on, but the same rules apply, 10 and -5. Now the free hit option is very simple. I will pause for a second like Dilip Kumar doing dialogues. I will go, question 1. At which point, you can hit the free point, rather the free hit. Or all you have to do is smack the buzzer quickly. Okay, if you do that, then you and only you can answer. Okay, again the points, you will double the points if you answer correctly on the free hit, but it can also reduce your points by 10 points. Your score will go down by 10 points if you say the wrong thing. Everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay. Final over, question 1 now. No free hit. Okay. What specifically is common between Eoin Morgan, Ed Joyce, Kepler Wessels and Anderson Cummins?
Is the captain? They are the captains.
I don't know if Anderson Cummins and Ed Joyce captained any country, but
They played
anybody else wants to try?
They've played for both Ireland and England.
It's not the right answer. Green?
They played for 2 countries.
Yes, that's the right answer. So you were somewhat correct, but Anderson Cummins West Indian. So anyway, Green, you get it. They played for 2 countries. Okay, don't worry. 9 questions to go. Everybody's still in it. Question number 2. Free hit, not exercise. Who has taken the most number of wickets in Ranji Trophy history? Options are there. S. Venkatraghavan, Sunil Joshi, Rajinder Goyal or Anil Kumble.
It's Goyal.
It is right. Well done. Question number 3. No one's taking the free hit. Okay. Which 2 teams forfeited their group stage games against Sri Lanka in 1996? World Cup due to security concerns. I'll repeat the question. Green.
West
Your
Indies
answer?
and Australia.
Absolutely correct. 1996 World Cup due to security reasons. Australia and West Indies said they won't play games in a certain country. Okay, we won't get into details there. Let's go on to question number 4. Australia lost to India in a test at Brisbane recently. When was their last loss at the same venue prior to this test against India, and against whom was that loss? You read? Is it?
Yes.
Yeah?
They lost 18 years back.
Answer is incorrect. Anybody wants to try? Our time is up. The answer is 1988.
England.
Isaac Vivian Alexander Richards was the captain. All right? West Indies. It was the famous tour where Ambrose took 7 for 1. Question number 5. You've gone for the free hit?
Yes.
Oh, it's a great moment. Let's do a dance. He's gone for the free hit. We've got a free hit. Oh. Who is the fastest to 300 test wickets? Here are your options before you hit the buzzer. Muralitharan, Dennis Lillee, Ravichandran Ashwin and Richard Hadley. The fastest to 300 test wickets. And there's a bonus if you get this right.
Ravichandran Ashwin.
Bang on, spot on, India! Don't be jingoistic, yaar. Ravichandran Ashwin is the right answer. No negative markings, so you can try your bonus. Go for it. Here's your question. Ashwin has won the most Man of the Series awards in Test for India. Can you guess how many? This is as things stand, of course, before the India-England Test Series. So how many Man of the Series has he won? Okay, for India it's the most.
Okay, 28?
28?
Yes.
It's not open to anyone else, sorry, because it's a bonus question, so it remains their question for the free hit. The answer is 7. Here's question number 6. Who was the leading wicket taker in the 1983 World Cup? Green?
Roger Binney.
Yes, right answer, Green. Roger Michael Humphrey Binney. Okay, let's go on to number 7. Free hit, you can't take twice.
I can't take twice.
You can't take it twice, I'm so sorry. But good effort and good energy and attitude is correct. And what we call in Hindi jugaad, which is important. कि मैं ऐसा करता हूँ, मैं वैसा करता हूँ. Reverse sweep was invented by us. We said we'll do it this way, why do it that way? Makes sense, I like your thinking. But not allowed. So number 7, normal question for all 3. What is the full title of award-winning documentary on Sachin Tendulkar? The full title of the award-winning documentary on Sachin Tendulkar. Take your time. It's got a full title, a full name. The documentary on Sachin is called. Read? You are going to do a free hit on this. You don't need, nobody wants to guess? Time up. Okay. Sachin, A Billion Dreams. Guys, it's on OTTs all over the world. Green knew. Green is getting upset. You knew, right?
Yeah.
Time for question number 8. So you have to look behind because it's a visual thing. Take a look behind you on the screen. Now all you have to do is identify.
Dale Steyn.
Wow. Yellow. Yellow.
Dale.
Correct answer. Dale Steyn is correct. Obviously, young Manohar has played with Dale Steyn in South Africa where he did his schooling. Not true. But there's a bonus attached to this. Only you and you alone can answer. Dale Steyn is the joint fastest bowler to 400 test wickets. Joint fastest. 400. Who's the guy he shares the honor with? No negative marks. Take a punt. Take a chance. 400.
Stuart Broad.
No, not the right answer. No points involved, but anybody wants to try?
James Anderson?
Wrong answer again. The right answer is Sir Richard Hadley. Let's move on to question number 9. No free hit? Okay. Question 9. An Olympian and Asian Games gold medalist. I also captained my side in 2 Ranji Trophy finals. Who am I? Okay, your options are, for what it's worth, P.K. Banerjee, Jarnail Singh, Chuni Goswami, and Peter Thangaraj. Okay.
Jarnail
Red.
Singh?
You gone for Jarnail Singh? It's the wrong answer. Anybody else? No chance. It's an option of 3 left, yaar. 33% chance of being right. Just guess. Time up. The answer is Chuni Goswami. See, now both are making faces. Chuni Goswami, or I like to call him Subimal Goswami, because we were in school together and he took up football and I went my own way. Free hit, question 10. Yeah, might as well. Excellent. Now only yellow can answer, guys. So that's the way it is. You'll have to look at the graphics behind you. There's a scorecard that's going to appear. That's your question 10. Only team yellow can answer. Who are the missing men? Okay. You see the green highlighted scores. Who scored those runs? And the wickets on the last column towards the bottom, second innings. So
Okay, the 233 is Rahul Dravid.
Yes, that is correct.
And the 6 for 41, I believe, is Ajit Agarkar.
That is also correct, which leaves us with the centurion. Single centurion is?
Saurav Ganguly is 148.
You want to... Well, you answered it, so we'd have to give you the -10. Just without points, you want to quickly take a red?
VVS Lakshman.
You're right. It's VVS Lakshman, Dravidan Lakshman, famous, South Zone, as well as under-19s in the old days, as well as finally for India. So, well done. So there we have it. We will have a winner, a clear winner, and some great news. Things aren't that bad if you don't win. Of course, Team Green are the winners and have done really well. But we've got for everybody a hamper from Nutridor Abevia. Lovely stuff, milk products. I love this stuff. I'm really happy to have them to myself. In case anybody doesn't want to take the gift home, I will take it happily. But no, everybody loves the gift. Come forward, please. Red, you've done superbly. All right, we have the winners, we have the scores. Team Red, well done, 15. They end with 15, not too bad. Team Yellow, super performance, 95. And Team Green, champion of champions, the Shahenshah, the greatest kings of the world. You receive these huge prizes because you have got 160 points. Wow, well done, that's huge, that's huge. Okay. Here are your prizes. You get this lovely trophy. Please come forward. You also get this LED 55-inch smart TV, which is the best thing to watch television, watch cricket on TV. This is it. You'll get to watch all that's left in this year's calendar year of cricket. So thanks to us and thanks to your performance. You can hold the trophy. And sir, if you want
to hold the heavy stuff.
If you want to, you're not supposed to pick it up because of insurance issues that we have, but you can hold it here. You put your hand on it. Yeah, there you go. Off you go.